So now that we've got all of the PSA stuff down, solving by completing the square and all that other stuff down, we have one last way of solving that I have to show you, and it's called the quadratic formula. So the quadratic formula is a formula for determining the roots of a quadratic equation. But here's what's really important. It has to be in standard form. It cannot be in any other form. It can't be in vertex form. It has to be in standard form. So ax squared plus bx plus c. Now, think about this. All you have to do is, this is the formula here. All you have to do now is just say, okay, there's a, there's B, there's C, and substitute it in. So you put the B in here, you put a B in here, you put the A and C over here, and divide it by 2a. So basically, it's minus B plus or minus the square root of B squared minus 4AC over 2a. All you have to do is identify these values right here, here, and here, and just substitute directly into here. Couple things I want to show you here that's really important. Number one is this. There's the square root principle. It's built into the formula. So in fact, you're going to solve for this guy here, and then you're going to have to do it twice. You're going to have to go adding it once, which is this part, and then over here you'd have to be subtracting it the second time, which is that part. That gives you the two distinct roots, okay? So watch for that. I'll give you an example. I have a beautiful example coming up right here. Boom. Solve this guy using quadratic formula. Sure, you can go out and PSA to this and so on and so forth, but I want to show you the fact that this actually works. So figure out a few things. First things first, that's A, that's B, that, including the negative, is C. So here's your formula. Minus B, plus or minus, there's the square root principle. B squared minus 4AC over 2A. Start substituting things in. There's your minus, so minus. Your B value is right here, positive 4. So minus 4, plus or minus, square root. B is 4, so 4 squared, minus 4 times A here is 3. Okay, there's 3. And C is minus 7. So times that by minus 7. All over 2 times A. Now that seems like an awful lot, and the A of course is 3. That seems like an awful lot. Well, actually, in fact, it is. It is an awful lot of work in order to get this. But the cool thing is some of the stuff you can go do directly in your calculator. Case in point, you can do this right in your calculator. Don't even waste any time. So go out and boot up your calculator here, and I'll show you. Here's the calculator here. 4 squared, okay, 4 squared, okay, minus 4 times 3 times minus 7, okay? There you go. Answer. You get 100. Look at this. This whole thing here is just 100. So you want the square root of 100. Well, the square root of 100, we know. The square root of 100 is just plain old 10. So think about this. You have two questions now. You have minus 4 plus 10 over 6. You have minus 4 minus 10 over 6. And just solve them. 10 plus a negative 4 is 6. 6 over 6. Your answer for this guy is 1. Minus 4 minus 10 is minus 14 over 6. This guy is minus 14 over 6, which can be reduced to minus 7 over 3. There's your two answers. Boom and boom. It's done. It's that easy. Very straightforward way of solving. Okay? So I'll show you a couple more examples as we go through this.